So today I'm going to school. My class starts at 8:50. So I'm just getting ready. I want to do my lip liner. Yeah, man, I think I'm gonna have a great day today. So yeah, man, I hope you guys are good. I hope you guys are well.
Only been a few hours, but it felt like days. Only been days, but it felt like months. Been gone for a year, only know like once. Life move fast when you do what you want.
I'm gonna vlog today. I'll probably vlog a day in life or just a weekly vlog. But like I'm gonna vlog today, and my class is in at 5. So today is a day in the life of an HR student. Yeah, let's get this bread.
Let's go catch this bread.
I guess. Oh Jesus. Okay, now guys, I'm going to school, and I will see you there. And yeah, bye.
Not doing what I want. Hope you know what you want. What we want. I knew we still be having but she don't love me, she's too scary.
Now I'm living my best.
My opus fun like Jackie Brown. I wanna know if she's too down. Will you be my leading lady? I want a contract, girl, no maybe. In the meantime, it's not going where I want. It's some me time. Hope you know what you want. Crib by the beach like Odell. No, but mom, my killers don't tell. Shadow my mom, cause I knew you off the shelf. Now my bitch is Chanel. Will you be my leading lady? I wanna contract, girl, no maybe. In the meantime, it's not going well. It's some me time. I don't know if you know what you want. Only been a few hours, but it felt like days. Only been days, but it felt like months. Been gone for a year, only know like once. Life move fast and you do what you want. In the meantime, it's not doing what I want.
I'm turning 21. Yeah. But in 2004. What's the 2004?
Buena. Did you see him?
Next week you must.
Yeah.
5 July.
July. 5 August.
When is it was? Yeah, the day is almost over. After September is shy. Mosha islala ngaphathia. Yeah, but then I'm that time
Listen, last week you didn't have a meeting around.
I'm going to show you now. Pizza.
Yeah. On your forehead, span it.
Pass. I don't know how to explain this one. We are not acting it out.
Yellow and yellow.
If I got it right, it's down.
Yeah.
Please describe Kaku. moving. At the movie popcorn.
Yes.
It's green. It's sort of like the shape of a
A tree.
mushroom.
Of a tree.
Yes.
Jungle oats.
Wait, like so.
Chocolate.
Chocolate.
Dairy milk.
No.
Hello, Kamsa Lolisa.
That's segment. That's segment.
That's a jungle oats. Yeah.
Okay, I want my week.
Energy bar.
No, yeah. The one you said it first. The one you said it first.
Bar energy.
No, leave bar and energy. The one you said it first. Yeah. Carbohydrate.
Protein.
Yeah, and then what you said now?
Energy bar.
No, leave energy. Leave energy.
Bar.
Yeah,
Protein
then-
bar. Green pepper.
No.
Pepper. Flying.
No.
Wings.
And then the Woku
We have this thing. Top five. Top five.
Buffalo.
Yeah.
Buffalo wings.
Americans love it. Pasta.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah.
And
Spaghetti.
No.
And then lasagna.
pizza then the guys.
Cheese.
Yeah.
Spaghetti cheese.
Oh,
It's not spaghetti, it's macaroni cheese.
No. Combine the two. Macaroni.
And cheese. Oh, I think I got like 5.
okay. What do you have on your birthday?
Okay.
Okay. What on your birthday?
Yellow.
Cheese.
Put it together.
Cheesecake.
Yes.
Okay. Yeah.
It's in a shell.
Crab.
It's in a shell.
Seafood.
Oyster.
Yes.
Yes. But it's not.
You like them, yes. I don't know how to describe this one.
There's a
It's only pizza, it's a topping on a pizza.
Ham.
No.
It's red. It's round. Salami.
No.
Not even salami. What is it?
Is it spicy?
You know it.
Ima, is it spicy, Mutle?
I don't know. I forgot the word. I know.
Up.
Okay. It's also fruit. And
No.
white inside.
But
and
you
it's
use
brown.
for your hair. It's
Oh,
white.
yeah. Avocado.
No, if it's not
It's black on the.
No.
It's brown on the outside and then on the inside it's white.
Yes.
Yeah.
coconut oil.
Yeah.
That same thing. No. Coconut.
Yeah.
Wait. Then
My chips were there.
What?
But the chips were there.
Oil.
No. The main ingredient, Debuho.
It's a 2D
Yes.
I
Uh-uh.
Okay. What do we found in the ocean?
Fish.
Yeah. And then when
If
we
you're not
do the
baking
chips-
it,
when
what
we
are
do
you
the chips,
doing?
what do you- Yeah, and then the two. And the two.
Fish fry.
Yes. Perfect. Ooh.
They're green, it's not beans.
It's not beans, it's peas.
Yeah.
Yes.
That one, liquor head.
Opposite of why? I mean of never
Light.
mind.
Opposite of light.
Yeah.
Opposite of light. Yeah, leave that alone. And then opposite of light.
It's black.
No.
Yeah, and then combine the two.
Yeah. Down.
Oh, you eat it normally at like carnival.
Bafang
Right.
Riviana,
Yeah.
But you use a good
You
mashed
garnish
potato.
with it on top.
Parsley.
Yes. Uyakwazi ukupheka ukuthi bayuza kwi-mashed
When
potato.
you put them on a
Mina.
fire.
S'mores.
Yeah.
Americans, what do they call a braai?
Barbecue.
Yebo.
Smart kids.
It's green.
Is it a vegetable?
It's Okariki cousin Yaboma.
Cousin.
Never mind. Yo.
Okay, sharp. Yeah, when I'm going casted.
Abantu bakulowuliko.
Mokgiwe casted, yeah. And then
Isonke sine-letters nendoni, it's what?
tomato, yeah, and then combine the
Diaries.
two.
Ah, my guy. It's jelly sandwich. Yeah.
What do babies get from their mom?
Milk,
And then
chocolate.
Yes.
when I do this to a corn, what does it do?
Flip.
No. This.
Uyamazi?
It's a
This-
creamy what? Creamy. Spinach.
Yeah. No.
Spin.
Spin! Kusmanga who planted the idea of spin. How are you going to explain it, Mangalisu?
Bo, I get it. What do you do to a coin when you do this? What does it do?
You're spinning it.
What does the coin do?
It spins.
Spin, I hear. And then what do Nigerian men call this?
Yes.
Spinach. Combine the two spinach.
Spinach, not a spinach.
Combine the two spinach.
Okay. Sesikolo.
No.
Siphakamile.
Oh, what's this?
Yes.
Down.
Iyacula.
And then like it has a
Yeah.
bigger forehead.
Okay.
The fastest
Animal.
Cheetah.
Yebo.
Yo. Yes.
Ika nuts.
Squirrel.
Yes.
I don't know this one.
Ingathi
You know how to train your movie yamapopai?
i-animal ephuma umlilo emlonyeni.
Dragon.
Yes.
But
Dragonfly.
Yes. Ila costa inando.
Crocodile.
Yebo.
Alex.
Mabundwa. Mouse. Mice.
Down. Who's Alex?
Alex.
Kung Fu.
China.
Padre.
Karate Kid.
Isilwane. It's an animal.
Panda.
Yes.
The color of blood.
Red.
Yes.
Panda red. Red panda.
Yes. Down.
Duck.
Yes. I don't know this one.
It's a bird
It's pink.
and it has a long neck.
Flamingo.
Yes.
I don't know this one. They are very annoying.
A kitchen.
Cockroaches.
Yes.
I don't know.
Oh.
Oh.
I don't know this one.
Inebhiki enkulu eyellow.
Yes.
They use them for experiments.
Mahodlo.
Hey guys, this is day 2 of the vlog. So Naledi and I are going to install our frontals. I want to show you guys. I was so excited. Our appointment is at 9. So come with us to install our frontals. This is my first time installing. I already did my wig lines and I pushed back my edges because we don't want any glue on my edges, right? Plus, I'm not gonna use the ghost bond glue. I'm gonna use the glam spray because I don't really want the ghost bond. So yeah, guys, come with me.
Yes, I'm in now. Let your edge out. To some iceberg, you'll be heavy in my mind. Can you get the heck out? I need rest now. Got me bummed out. You so you. Baby. I've been on my empty mind shit. I should've came from losing yesterday. I worry that I wasted the Distance and little change left me a war in my mind. Gotta let go away, he was holding me to the rise, but it will break up in front of me. All the while, I wave my arm, my feelings. Still wanna try, still believe in it. Good days, always inside. Good living in my mind, hold me on my feet.
Hey guys, so we literally came back like a few hours ago, but I forgot to pick up the camera because I was so excited. I kept on looking in the mirror, like, wow. So now I'm from the laundry. I'm doing my laundry. I am so tired, girl. So now I'm gonna prepare for tomorrow because we're leaving. I'm going to Santon to celebrate my lady. And yeah, man, stay tuned. I'm gonna drop 2 vlogs before Saturday. So I'm gonna drop this the haul today, tomorrow in the morning. I'm gonna edit this one today, and then I'll start vlogging for the weekend tomorrow. So yeah. And I just want to say to you guys that I appreciate you so much, and I appreciate the fact that you're always supporting me, and I love you guys so much. And I feel so good, like my heart is filled with gratitude, and I'm so grateful for you guys. And yeah, I just wanted to say that. Otherwise, you're right. Every night to bed. Girl, my mirror broke, honey. My mirror broke. It broke, son. Just want to fix.
Good day in my mind, safe to take a step out, get some air now, let your